The one meal a day diet, or OMAD diet, claims to help you lose weight by forcing your body to burn fat. It's a type of intermittent fasting, which alternates between periods throughout the day in which you can eat anything and periods in which you don't eat at all. The difference between OMAD and traditional fasting is instead of fasting for the typical window, like 16 hours, you fast for about 23 hours, including the time you spend sleeping. How it works. There are many types of intermittent fasting practices and multiple ways to implement OMAD. Examples include having just one meal and fasting for the rest of the day, or having one meal and eating limited amounts of food during fasting periods. This type of diet creates a calorie deficit, which can lead to weight loss. Other health benefits related to fasting include the potential to reduce heart disease risk factors, decrease blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. Most people following OMAD choose to only consume dinner, although others choose breakfast or lunch as their one meal. Some versions of this eating pattern allow a snack or two in addition to the one meal. When you take in carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into sugars. If you have more sugar in your blood than you need, a chemical called insulin will carry the extra into your fat cells. When you don't eat for extended periods of time, your body produces less insulin. Your cells still need energy for fuel, so your fat cells release energy to compensate. For this to happen, however, you have to avoid eating for long enough that your insulin levels drop. Benefits. What does the research say? In addition to weight loss, research has linked fasting to a number of other health benefits. For example, fasting may help reduce blood sugar and certain heart disease risk factors, including low-density lipoproteins, or bad cholesterol. It may help you to burn fat. Study participants who tried eating one meal a day ended up with less total body fat. This particular group of people didn't experience significant weight loss. It can improve your metabolism. In adult men with prediabetes and obesity, a 6-hour period of eating followed by 18 hours of fasting improved their blood sugar levels. Eating in the morning and fasting overnight can help you lose weight. The OMAD diet doesn't tell you which meal to eat. That said, people who fast overnight and eat a larger meal in the morning tend to lose more weight than people who eat more at dinner time. Is the OMAD diet bad for you? Although research has associated fasting and calorie restriction with a variety of health benefits, some evidence suggests that restricting too much, which can include only consuming one meal a day, may do more harm than good. Eating once can lead to overeating. If the term calories is actually a measurement of energy, then by not giving your body a sufficient amount of calories, you are quite literally cutting the energy you are giving to your body. Many dietitians agree that if you're only eating once a day, you're likely going to overeat during that one meal because, at that point, your body is ravenous and in need of quick energy. Eating once a day slows down your metabolism. The more you restrict, the slower your metabolism becomes as a response. That can lead to unwanted side effects in the long run, including weight gain. It may make you hungrier. When you eat one meal a day rather than 3, your body produces more of a hormone called ghrelin, which makes you feel hungry. It's no more effective than calorie reduction. Even if the OMAD diet makes you feel hungrier, it's unlikely to lead to more weight loss than if you simply reduce the number of calories you took in during the day. Your body won't get enough nutrients. In order to get enough key antioxidants, minerals, and phytonutrients, you'd have to pack in 5 daily servings of veggies and fruit, not to mention whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, lean protein, and some dairy products, or dairy alternatives, in that 1-hour window. What happens if you only eat one meal a day? The side effects of restricting food for nearly an entire day can include lightheadedness, nausea, blood pressure destabilization, dizziness, confusion, hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, dehydration, hard to exercise regularly. Foods to eat and avoid. If you do choose this eating pattern, it's essential to ensure that you're consuming a variety of nutritious foods, including fruits, such as berries, citrus fruits, and bananas. Vegetables, such as kale, broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, and peppers. Starchy vegetables and grains, such as sweet potatoes, butternut squash, oats, quinoa, and barley. Health simple fats, such as avocados, olive oil, and unsweetened coconut. Legumes, such as peas, chickpeas, lentils, and black beans. Seeds, nuts, and nut butters, such as cashews, macadamia nuts, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. Dairy and plant-based alternative products, unsweetened yogurt, coconut milk, and cashew milk. Protein sources, such as chicken, fish, tofu, and eggs. Limit highly processed foods, such as fast food, sugary baked goods, white bread, sugary cereals, soda, chips. The bottom line: if you still want to try the OMAD diet, strive for a wide variety of nutrient-rich foods. Do not try this type of plan if you're pregnant, lactating, or taking medication that requires food for metabolism of the drug. Even if you don't experience any short-term side effects, studies have yet to find out how fasting can affect humans in the long run. People who want to lose weight should start by making small, sustainable changes to their diet and lifestyle. Those interested in fasting should consider less restrictive forms of fasting. It is also best to consult a doctor or dietitian on how to lose weight safely, particularly if a person has an underlying medical condition.